Let's study about one of the defects of vision, hypermetropia. We have studied that the eye lens changes its thickness to focus on objects from different distances to form the image on the retina. Sometimes, due to the low converging power of eye lens or small eyeball, the image will not always form on the retina. In such cases, nearer objects form a blurred image on the retina. We can correct this by using a convex lens in front of the eye. Place a convex lens and observe. We can see that a convex lens of suitable power converges the light rays to form the image on the retina. The defect of vision blurriness for nearby objects is called hypermetropia, and it can be corrected using a converging lens or convex lens.